WhatsApp mes gens, bonjour, j'espère que tout le monde va bien. Oui, mon visage est enflé, vous allez faire avec, ok? Aujourd'hui, on se fait un Vivre à Dakar, ça fait longtemps que je ne l'ai pas fait, mais je dois accompagner des invités un peu partout à Dakar. Donc, je pars avec vous. Sérieux, je vais vous dire tout de suite, il n'y aura pas de blabla, ce sera Vivre à Dakar, mais plutôt visuel. Je pense que je vais vous mettre une musique, comme ça vous allez entendre, mais en vrai, je ne vais pas parler. Ça va être une mini vidéo avec quelques endroits que j'aurai visités et que j'ai envie de... Eh, Agnès, you look sick. Quelques endroits que j'ai envie de vous montrer et yeah, so let's go.
Niggas ain't getting no money, tell them quit that cap. Niggas ain't getting no money, tell them quit that capping. Yeah, he ain't be relaxing, he ain't did your taxes. Yeah. We went triple platinum, won't wanna hear no nagging. Made it happen. Young and out there, bottom buddy, made it happen. I don't wanna make no friends, put me to my hands. Who we think he is, in that brand new should've knew I was coming. Just still a young and I knew I'd give me some money. Know I turn nothing to something. I look at your cousin, the youngest, he's me and running. I promise to keep it 100, keep it 100. You see me down in the house, so you got that respect me. Fuck you, give me my check, please. Young and chasing dreams, reaching for the stars. Had it all. But now I'm richer than I've ever been. I'm richer than I've ever been. Yeah, I'm richer than I've ever been. Richer than I've ever been, I'm richer than ever. Whipping a Tesla, cost hoes, etc. Hit them with pressure. My niggas won't let up. Tell them niggas to catch up. Wake up, got $1 million in diamonds that sit on the dresser. Run up that check now, flexing my muscles, I feel like cause we come from nothing to rollies and plaques. Fake love, it was holding them back. Flashbacks while you pouring the yak. Since a young nigga, he just wanted to shine. Used to daydream about thumbing through racks. He tuck and get cold in the rack. Tears fall while he loading the strap. Seen it all, he just wanna relax. I'm richer than I ever been. Put my heart before the bag, worst shit I ever did. Gave you a second chance and you laugh again. Remember days I used to wonder will we ever win. Young and chasing dreams, reaching for the stars. See all you can be, either you gon' starve. Young and not that bottom, but he beat the odds. Yeah, you lie, had it all. I'm richer than I've ever been. I'm richer than I've ever been. Yeah, I'm richer than I've ever been. Richer than I've ever been, ever been. He richer than he ever been, ever
It was about 5 minutes ago when I seen the hottest chick that a youngin' never seen before. I say, yo, tell the girls I wanna meet up. On second thought, that ain't the way to go. I gotta give her game proper. Spit it so she get it, there she is, I gotta stop her. Or should I talk about a smile? Or what about a style? I'm out of time, she's out the door, I gotta go for mine. Or should I talk about a smile? Or what about a style? I'm out of time, she's out the door, I gotta go for mine. Let the girl say yeah. Excuse me, and I gotta admit that you got my attention. You're making me want to say yeah. Are you tryna leave? I said the dance with you. How I love you, keep you here with me, yo baby. Now so they grab hold of my hand. making me want to say oh. Know you're trying to leave. How I love to keep you here with me, your baby. I think I'll say yeah. I don't know your name, but excuse me, miss. I saw you from across the room, and I gotta admit that you got my attention. You're making me want to say oh. Know you're trying to leave. How I love to keep you here with me, your baby. I wanna be where you are. Ain't nothing wrong with dancing, baby. It's so romantic, baby. I can be in your heart. So many things I wanna tell you. I think that I should start by saying, girl. I gotta give a game proper, spit it so she get it. There she is, I gotta stop her. Oh yeah. You tryna leave? Oh. I would love to keep you here with me, your baby. Everybody just clap your hands like this. Just clap your hands like this. And if you shorty's in the house tonight, just grab her by the hand. Hope you make her understand. Y'all will leave hands like this. Y'all will make it bounce like this. You gotta know it's made for you, and you wanna do everything she want to, man.
Keep a nigga, man, bitch in a figure four. Let me fuck when I want, I just come and go. Man, these records too deep.